To use your magnetic hoop clip, you're going to need a sticky hoop, adhesive stabilizer, a hat, and your hoop clip. Take your adhesive stabilizer and apply it to the back of sticky hoop. Your hoop clip is magnetic. You will only be able to attach it to a metal-based hoop like our sticky hoop. Place your magnetic hoop clip on the bottom of your sticky hoop. Make sure that your hoop clip is centered with the hoop and you're ready to attach your hat. I have prepared my hat for embroidery by placing a template so I know where I want to place my design. I've also opened the back clasp. Underneath, I have painter's tape holding the band out of the embroidery field. Flatten your bill and place it underneath the clip of your magnetic hoop clip. And then smooth your hat out onto your adhesive stabilizer. Make sure the seam of the hat, that center seam, is straight in the hoop. Now you're ready to head to the embroidery machine.